Often aim at Pete. Aim at Pete. Attaboy. You've got it, pal. That cowboy knows what he's doing out there. Nice turn.
All right, Summer, you ready? You're on deck.
Come on, bring that horse home, Landon. Here we go. All right, big finish. Big finish. Bring him in. Bring him in hard. There you go. All right.
Right over here.
And the time is
73:26.
73:26. The
Good
time
job.
to beat.
You know how to do it, right? I'll get them off at a canter. It's up to you to keep them there if you want. 5-second penalty if you miss the bucket or knock it over. All right, ready?